We're going to cover really quickly a couple of things on reports, just to clear up anything that might be missing there. Let me just show you. So either from the analytics tab, you can hit, and I'll just show a couple ways to get there. We can hit create. From create, I can create a report or a folder. I can make my own and make it private, or dashboards. You guys are probably familiar with that. The analytics tab is kind of a blend of reports and dashboards. Salesforce is using it to bridge to CRM analytics because you can create some other cool things in here. The other one is if you type in reports, there's going to be a bunch available. Some you'll have access to, some you won't in this case, but you can look at the ones that are there. You can always search for reports. Many of you know how to do this. This is old hat stuff. You're very familiar. But I wanted to just point out one thing, or a couple of things. Some of the objects that you are used to using that you may have used previously, such as transactions, this is an old version of that object. The new version is property transactions. Now we've left the old one there for historical purposes. Eventually it will kind of be phased out so it doesn't cause the confusion, but I can understand that there is some there. But here we can see property transactions and use that to generate reports on our transactions. Opportunities, of course, is the same. You've got lots of junction objects available with opportunities. There's actually going to be a new report type available to you. Let's go to all, which is going to be called, let me make sure I can get it for you. Okay, this new one is going to be called property transactions with ops and offers. So this is going to give you a look from the transaction, and it's going to include your opportunity data. It's also going to include any acquisition or disposition offer fields. So you will have pretty good reach into all the data you might want to report on. So if you're going to create reports and you want a fairly holistic view, this is a great one to use. Let me just kind of show you. You've got all the property transaction fields that you might need. The opportunity fields, so acquisition data, there's some retail stuff too you don't have to worry about. Some of the rolled up disposition data if there's multiple properties there. So you have opportunity fields, and then you have, I apologize, within opportunity fields, you're going to have, let me get to it here. You have standard offer fields, but don't worry about those. Those are retail specific. Here we go. You're going to have acquisition offer fields, right? So the acquisition offer on the opportunity, I can see the fields on that offer specifically if I don't already have visibility to them. The transaction has visibility to a lot of these fields, but not all of them, because that's the point of having separate objects. There's just too many fields to put on one. And so you've got acquisition offer fields that you can pull forward, and then you've got disposition offer fields that you can pull in if you need to. And that should give you access to pretty much everything you need. The transaction, the opportunity, the acquisition offer, and the disposition offer all available on this one report type. So it should give you access to a pretty full and rich data set that can let you report on the things that you need. So just wanted to point that out and let you know it's the property transaction object, and that also you have this report type now with ops and offers. That'll be a really powerful report type that you can pull all of your data together with. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Thanks.